I'm Hannah.
I'm Jack Fleet.
I study physics.
I'm studying biochemistry.
So my master's project at the moment is on exoplanets.
I'm really interested in synthetic chemistry.
Things like vaccinations and also immunity excites me a lot.
Hello, my name is Alice Sherky. I'm a member on the iGEM team and I study biology. Over the summer, I'm going to be documenting the progress of our team, as well as getting involved with the exciting project.
iGEM stands for International Genetically Engineered Machine.
It's an international competition between universities and schools from all different countries.
The final aim is the Jamboree, which is in October.
Teams enter and they propose a project which allows them to contribute something to synthetic biology. There's 11 of us in the team from Exeter.
We have got an interesting split, 50-50 kind of biology and chemistry and then physics.
The physicists are very number crunching based. We know how to program.
The sort of things you can build with programming are just brilliant.
And the biologists understand the biology and the biochemists understand the chemistry behind the biology. So when you put us all together, you've got people who understand what's going on, people who understand the theory of what's going on, and people who will just understand the link between the two.
We've been coming up with loads of different ideas.
Lots of cool ideas.
What products we want to make, categorising different biobricks, creating tools that are useful for synthetic biology, and also trying to figure out what we want to do for human practices.
We've been looking at the idea of like antifungals with PATH.
Kill switches and proteins.
And we've also had some people down from companies to come and talk to us, as well as some academics from the university here in Exeter. For the summer, we're going to be working for about 10 weeks on the project. We're going to start off by doing the interlab study.
To start getting to grips with all the equipment and actually getting into the lab.
We're going to try and apply to work with different companies. So we're going to start putting some abstracts together.
The next deadline, we'd like to apply for the Syn Energy and Human Practice deadline. It's on the 30th. Hopefully we can get a sponsorship from them to help us with our human practices. We looked at maybe taking it on a national scale, trying to talk to the government to change the syllabus, maybe look at talking to academics and industry, looking at the local community as well, maybe going on the local radio or setting up web series and animations to do with synthetic biology.
I think the whole public stigma around genetic engineering is quite wrong, and it's something that we do hope to sort of tackle during iGEM.
Synthetic biology is very similar to genetic engineering, except more controlled. So the idea of creating kill switches to prevent the spread of genetically engineered organisms, safely creating genetic engineering.
Because a lot of people see genetic engineering as just a bad thing, mostly because the only things that ever get reported are the bad cases with genetically engineered crops going wrong, and nobody seems to understand the benefits that can come from synthetic biology.
Got a solid foundation then to move forward, pick an idea and get to work.
So it's all very exciting at the moment.